Stuck between cars with nowhere to go, this rider gets quite the shock when multiple tactical officers rush in. It sounds like he tries to run, but they're quick to grab him.
Are you yelling at me?
Yeah, I'm yelling at you.
Why?
You almost hit the back of my fucking car.
After skidding to a stop, the rider looks up and can tell the Prius driver is already freaking out in her mirror. And the moment he asks what's up, she fully Karens out.
What's up?
Shit out of your ass,
Are you yelling at me?
Yeah, I'm yelling at you.
Why?
You almost hit the back of my fucking car.
I was in control the whole
You're not
time.
in control. Fuck off. I see you, kid.
I was in control, I promise.
Fucking idiot. That's why I poked you the fucking mayor.
Yeah, fuck the mayor, I agree. $15,000, you're in a Prius.
Yeah, $15,000 car, dumbass.
$3,000 in the marketplace, take it or leave it. Yeah, for sure.
Rolling up to a stop, one rider reacts just a little too late, and when he grabs the front brake in panic, things go south instantly. What really tops it off is his buddy making everything even worse when he comes zooming back to help. After this car gets uncomfortably close as they take off from the light, this rider isn't about to just shrug it off as tensions begin to build fast.
Yo, you okay? Kill switch it, kill switch it. You okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
You sure?
Yeah. Damn, that's so dumb of me, bro. I gotta. Fuck.
What the fuck?
It's a good thing this rider was already positioned to the far right because this minivan cuts in way too tight. And the funniest part? The driver just stops and doesn't even say a thing. Group rides can turn sketchy quick when distance between riders disappears. When one rider up front causes hesitation in the back, what follows is a domino effect that causes nothing but chaos. Ripping through rural twisties might feel fun, but this rider gets a reminder the hard way. Public roads aren't racetracks, and riding solo only raises the stakes.
Yeah, I'm good. My foot caught in gravel.
Hold
Oh, it's all carbon fibers. We'll find out.
About to ride over a fresh wet patch on the road, this rider forgets his tire needs to dry up before twisting the throttle, and he learns that quick. Getting towed by a car may be easier said than done, as this rider makes a mistake anyone could make when the rope gets snagged underneath his front tire.
몇 리드 올려야?
Woodshit. You've just shut us a tank. You shut us a tank.
Compared to the rider before, this one takes the corner way more cautiously, but something still goes wrong. Let me know what you think caused it. When riding through the remote hills of northeast India, this biker suddenly finds the path ahead, occupied. And let's just say, these two locals were not interested in letting him pass. Just watch.
Yeah, I know. I seen him. He's behind me. Oh, fuck. I'm getting pulled over. All right, I'll call you back.
After getting a warning from his buddy behind him that a cop is following, this rider gets ready to be pulled over and learns a valuable and expensive lesson in the process.
Have any idea how much that plate could cost you right now? Where it sits? Concealed down there where you can't even see it from behind you.
No, I have no idea.
Yes. $1,164.
Holy shit.
If somebody wants to be a real ass, that's a $1,164 ticket.
Okay.
So you need to find a way to mount it. I mean, whether it be off the side here or back up here somewhere so it's visible.
Okay.
You got your driver's license?
I do, yes.
Give me just a minute, okay?
All right.
So strong.